This is one of those recipes that looks simple, and it is simple, but it's actually doing so much more than you think. We are starting with just 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil gets hot and it goes with the cumin. Listen to that. Now, garlic, green chili, diced tomato, just mix it all together and let it do its thing. Now, this is our moong dal, half cup, and I soak it for half an hour before starting. It doesn't sound like a big deal, but trust me, it makes such a difference. It cooks faster and it's so much easier on your stomach. In goes 1.5 cup of water, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric, and put the lid on for 15 to 20 minutes and walk away. Okay, look at this. Dal is perfectly soft. Now comes my favorite part. 1 full cup of suwa, dill leaves. Look at that color. Honestly, so pretty. And here's the thing about dill that most people don't know. It actually helps your gut settle and reduce bloating. This is why this combination has been Indian kitchen forever. It's not just a green, it's actually doing something. Little turmeric, garam masala, red chili, mix everything and again put the lid back on. 15 more minutes and that's it. Seriously, that's all. And look at this. Serve it in a little bowl straight off the stove. Have it with the roti or with the rice. Honestly, this sabji goes with everything. Give this one a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Till then, keep it simple, keep it real.